In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Catalog Avatar Creator in other games and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, if you join the Catalog Avatar Creator experience, you are able to use various different items even if you don't own them. So you can use expensive items, free items, you can change how they look, and you can even test out custom things using those items. So you can join in, browse through all of the outfits, all that you have equipped, save to Roblox even, and you will be able to use it. Now, you might be curious if you are able to import items that you don't own into other experiences. So for example, I have these netherite enchanted dual swords. They are not owned. So when I click the option to save to Roblox, it tells me this message, and if I try actually purchasing them, because I customize them, I change their size, I change their position, it tells me that the item is not for sale. Is there any way to import items that are for sale or items that are not for sale into other experiences? Well, even if you browse through all of the menus, you try them out here, you go into the settings, general, music, audio, and so on, regardless of what you try to do, you will not be able to import these items into other experiences. Sadly, you are free to try them out as much as you want inside of this one, but the moment that you leave the Avatar Creator experience, these items will go away. Avatar Creator is only meant to be used as sort of a wardrobe where you can test out different outfits and customize them to see how they would look like, but you cannot simply import them into other experiences. This would disincentivize players on spending Robux, so of course this isn't allowed and something that you can do easily. You need to purchase the item before it is available for use in other experiences. However, some people have claimed that if you type /please donate, you can join the please donate experiences with these items, but this is only limited to that specific experience, and besides this, there is no other way to join other experiences. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it is impossible to use the Avatar Creator outfits that you've made in other games. They are limited here, and unless you purchase the item and add it into your account, you cannot simply wear them elsewhere. I hope I was able to clear up any questions that you had on how to use Catalog Avatar Creator in other games. If this video answered any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.